Model, 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro 2901.6 CDTI, 115, L2H1 non-runner needs head gasket no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 147843. MOT, the 8th of June 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none-runner, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing whilst cranking, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0